Sunblocks, I think, are a critical part in anybody's desire to want to have better looking skin. If somebody's going to be in the car, go in the mall, get out of the car, go in the mall, come home, it's not that critical. But if somebody's going to be outside at the beach all day, or boating, or golfing, or working in the garden, putting on a sunblock is important. If you know you're going to have a prolonged period of sun exposure for that day, get up in the morning and put on 1 or 2 coats of sunblock before you go out and are exposed to the sun. So I get up, have my shower, put my sunblock on, have a cup of coffee, read the paper, whatever. Then I put a second coat on. And then I get my hat on, I go out, I play golf, I go to the pool or whatever I'm going to do. For example, if you're going to golf, try to golf in the morning when the sun's rays are not as intense versus 12 o'clock in the afternoon or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, many people ask me, what does SPF mean? It's short for sun protection factor. Now, many times people come in here and say, well, Doc, I get the best. I use 100. And I say to people, it's not necessary. Get one that's broad spectrum, because solar rays are UVA, UVB, infrared. So it's not like just one beam of sunlight. There are different components to that. And in order to protect your skin, you have to protect yourself against all the components. So I say get a broad spectrum, so you cover all the components. Get a 35, 40, and get one that's waterproof. So if you're going to be outside and sweating, if you have a waterproof sunblock, it'll stay in your skin pores a little bit longer. I tell people, if you look at a chart, once you get past 40, 45, the degree of protection that you get from the sunblock of 50 or 60 is minuscule. But in order to get an SPF rating of 60 or 70, they have to concentrate the ingredients, and they can be more irritating to the skin. So I say to people, get up in the morning, put on a coat or 2 before you go out, get a sunblock that's broad spectrum, and about a 35 or 40.